Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I share with you how to make tasty delicious yam in beans recipe. Guys, it is easy and delicious as well. So if you have not tried it before, this video is for you. And if you have, I bet you haven't tried making it this way that I'm about to show you. So you keep watching, okay? Let's begin, guys. First, we are starting with our yam. Next thing is to peel it. So I will be cutting it up into smaller round sizes. That way it will be easier for me to peel. Just know that the goal is to get rid of the back. So you're free to do it whichever way you feel is comfortable for you or you prefer. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. This channel teaches how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, small chops, and snacks, even more. So if it sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and hit that subscription button so you become part of this amazing, beautiful family. Okay? At this point, guys, we're done peeling. Go ahead and cut them up into smaller sizes, okay? Bite sizes rather, and set it aside. Now, moving on. In a clean pan or pot, go in with your red oil, your palm oil. Allow it to heat up, okay? Afterwards, you go in with your diced onions. Stir and allow to fry for a minute or until translucent. Now, introduce your tomato mix. Consists of tomato, long pointed peppers, and onions. This is 3 medium-sized tomato, 2 big-sized long pointed pepper, and 1 medium-sized onions. So we're going to fry until dry. This is us checking back after frying for 3 to 4 minutes. And at this point, it is perfect, just the way we want it. Now, introduce your washed yam. Next is our well-cooked beans. This type is called black eye beans or peas. They are very, very nutritious and got a whole lot of health benefit, ranging from regulating blood sugar level, cholesterol, helps with digestion and prevent constipation. Guys, it is very high in protein and fiber, a lot more. Now, you can see how soft it is. So you're going to cook yours until soft and tender, okay? Now you go ahead and pour it into the pot. And afterwards, you stir it. Let me use this medium to say a very big thank you to all my newest and returning subscribers, the kings and the queens of this amazing, beautiful family. Guys, your girl is super grateful. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I can't thank you guys enough. Please keep up the good work. Thank you, guys. I love you all. Now it is time to introduce some water. If you have meat stock, please use it, okay? But if you do not have, like me, you make do of water. Next is your salt to taste. Next is your seasoning, okay? Once you've added it, go on and stir it in. Please, the water should be the same, okay, or a little bit above. Do not add much water to it, okay? Our yam is not that big, so it's going to cook quickly. Now you cover it and allow it to cook. Now this is us checking back after cooking for 2 minutes. Now go in with your ground crayfish, followed by your pepper. We're using Scotch bonnet just to give it some hotness, okay? Please feel free to increase your peppers if you want it spicy, very spicy. But if you do not want it, please minimize, okay, to your taste. Now this is all stirring it just to see that everything is well combined. It is coming up well, guys. We are not yet done, but it is looking good already. So we're going to cover again and allow it to cook some more. This is us, guys, checking again after 2 minutes. And at this point, guys, we are adjusting and stirring at the same time. please, if you have watched to this extent and you've not liked this video, please go ahead and do that. Okay? It is simply the only way you can support me. Like this video and subscribe if you haven't, okay? Thank you. It is looking good, guys. Now let's test for salt. Perfect. Now let's cover it again. Now we are checking back, guys. After a minute, now introduce your spring onions. Guys, this is looking good. It's a must try. If you have not tried this combo before, this recipe is for you. This beans in yam is superb, like very delicious, guys. Please give it a go, okay? And let me know how it turns out for you in the comment. And look at how it is looking. I am sure you're salivating already. You are. Someone is making this recipe. It is pretty simple, only require a few ingredients. All you need to do is to follow the steps and you're good to having this meal right on your dining table. Please help me share this video to your friends, families, loved ones for them to try it out, okay? All right, let's take it out the heat. Lovely. And there you have it, guys. Our tasty, delicious, mouth-watering yam and beans recipe is set. Please give it a go. You're going to love it. Your family will definitely do. Now, it is time to plate our dish, okay? So you stick around and plate it with me. Oh my, this is looking good, lovely. Are you going to try it out? It is pretty simple. Please do, okay? This is me dishing it out. Oh my, lovely. I'm sure you are salivating where you are right now. I know. Please give it a go, all right? Now it is time to test. Get your spoon and test it with me. Can you see how delicious it looks? Now let's test it. This is super delicious, guys. Not only does it look good, it tastes super good as well. And we have come to the end of today's cooking. If you found it interesting, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and follow for more easy, tasty recipes, okay? Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling. See ya.